In New York City, where every drop of water counts during intense rainfall, Porous Pavement is helping us rethink how to manage runoff, to reduce the load on our combined sewer systems, and most importantly, to protect people and infrastructure from flooding. So through the New York City DEP Green Infrastructure Research and Development Program, we've been testing precast porous concrete panels. These panels are installed along parking lanes to capture and infiltrate stormwater before it hits the sewer system. But, like any system, performance depends on maintenance. So our research dives into how specific cleaning methods like sweepers, pressure washers, and vacuums can restore infiltration rates and keep these systems working efficiently. Our research showed that the most efficient combo is a 3-step sequencing using rotating pressure heads and vacuuming that boosted performance by over 70%. Smart designs need smart maintenance. Together, we're keeping cities resilient.